Right, welcome to class. And we are to evaluate 16 raised to power 0.16 times 16 raised to power 0.04 times 2 raised to power 0.2. And this is 2023 question. All right, so okay, so we start solving. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do will be for us to have all of them in a common base, just like obeying the law of indices. You know, have all of them in the common base, and the easiest base that we can have all of them will be base 2, because base 2 is the smallest base here. So okay, for 16, that should be what? How many times are we going to multiply 2 to have 16? That will be 4 times. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Another. So that will be 4 times. So that's 4 times for that one. Then the current power that was there, 0.6. Okay, so next thing will be for that of 16, and that will be 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 4, and then the current power that was 0.04 will still remain, and then we close the bracket, 0.04. Okay, so for the next one, the times, the next one is 2. Already 2 is in the power that we are changing to, so we maintain, we keep it there. 2 raised to power, it remains 0. Okay, 0.2, everything remains there. Right, now the next thing we're going to do will be for us to multiply out the powers. So we're going to multiply the powers. That will be 4 times 0.16, and that will give us 0.64. So we write our power, the base again, 2. Okay, the new power now, when we multiply 4 times 0.16 will give us 0.64. So let's have it here, 0.64. And then we move to the next one, but before then we need to bring down our plus sign, our multiplication sign rather. So let's have it. So multiplication sign is still here. Then we pick the next number. The next number is 2. And we're going to multiply 4 times, okay, what do you have? 0.04. Now 4 times 0.04, that will give us 0.16 rather, 0.16. So we're done with that expansion, and then we proceed to the next one. That's 6. all right. Okay, we proceed to the next one. But before then, let's have our multiplication here. And already 2, we don't need to expand it again, so it remains as 0.2. Now, the laws of indices, when the bases are the same and we are to multiply, we add up the power. So among these 3 bases, we are going to pick one base. Pick one of the bases. That's this other 2. When we pick it now, we add all the powers. The first power here was 0. Let's just write it out, all the powers. Okay, so we are adding all the powers here, 0.64, we added up with 0.16, added up with 0.2. We have picked out one base. So now adding it up, 0.64 plus 0.16 plus 0.2, we're gonna have 1. We're gonna have it as 1, 2 raised to power 1, and 2 raised to power 1 is the same thing as saying 2. So let's check which of the options. All right, so here the correct option is option A, 2, and that is correct. Very simple. What we did was just for us to change the base to a common base. We changed to a common base, and for us to change 16 to change it to 2, we have to make it 2 raised to power 4, and then change it again to 2 raised to power 4, and then we multiplied with the initial powers that we were given. multiply with the initial power that we were given, we had this. And out of these two bases, since they are the same, we picked up one. When we picked one, we added all other bases. When we added them up, we had the answer as 1, 2 raised to the power 1. Then it's the same thing as 2, and of course 2 here is the correct option. All right, so see you in the next class. Bye for now.